Uh, Hi, in this video, we will build a circuit where we will control the brightness of LED with the help of a potentiometer. So let's see what all component we require. We require an Arduino, a breadboard, one 10 kilo ohm potentiometer. So I have this now connected on this and a resistor. So I have used it 1 kilo ohm resistor. And we will require an LED. After that, I require few of the jumper cables. So let's start with the circuit connection one by one. So as you can see, I have connected this knob onto this pot. So I can easily replace it. But if you see on the terminals, the pin 1 is VCC. So this is the first pin. Second pin is signal. And the third pin is ground. So let's do the connection. I will just place it again in this. Now I will connect it somewhere on the breadboard. Okay. Now let's do the connection. So the pin 1 is this pin here. So I will connect this pin on the positive rail, which is 5 volt. Second is the middle pin. So I will connect this to the A0 pin, analog pin on the Arduino Uno. After that, the potentiometer third pin goes to ground, which is minus on the breadboard. So now I will do the connection for the LED. So LED has two terminals. The longer one is the positive, shorter one is the ground. So let's connect this. The left side is the longer one. So I will add this resistor on the positive side. Connect the other end somewhere here. And this resistor connects to the digital pin or the PWM pin, which is pin number 9. So I'm connecting on the PWM pin. The other end of the LED is ground, so I connect it to minus. Okay. So now finally we'll connect the positive and negative from the breadboard to the Arduino. So I will connect the positive end here, negative end on breadboard minus. So this is the positive which connects to 5 volt on the Arduino. Next, the minus of the breadboard goes to ground. Just a second. So this is the negative. Okay, so now this completes our circuit connection. So let's move to our code. So this is our code. In that we have this initialization part. So the first one is pot pin, which tells the Arduino that we have used A0 analog pin and we have connected a potentiometer on that. Second is the LED pin. So we have connected the LED on PWM pin 9. Then we have the pot value, which is 0, which stores the raw value from the potentiometer. So it ranges from 0 to 1023. So as soon as you turn the potentiometer knob, it will give some reading and that will be stored in this pot value. After that, we have this brightness, which stores the scale PWM value, which is from 0 to 255. which controls the LED brightness. In the setup function, we have this pin mode, and we have declared the LED pin as output. Then we have the baud rate, which starts the serial communication. In the main loop, we read the analog voltage from the potentiometer. So we read the voltage between 0 volt to 5 volt. Then this Arduino convert it into digital value, which is ranging between 0 to 1023 because it's 10-bit ADC. This line, the LED brightness uses the PWM which accept the value from 0 to 255. The map function converts the potentiometer range to 0 to 255 range for the LED. So this analog write function will send a PWM signal to the LED pin, and here we print the current brightness value on the serial monitor for testing purpose. Finally, we have a delay of 10 milliseconds for smoother updates.
The analog write function doesn't actually send a true analog voltage. Instead, it uses the PWM, which is pulse width modulation, which means it turns the LED on and off very fast. If it stays longer, the LED looks brighter. If it stays off longer, it looks dimmer. So by changing the duty cycle, we can control the LED brightness smoothly.
Okay, so now I have uploaded the code. Now let's test this code and our circuit. So I'm trying to gradually increase the potentiometer. So you can see the brightness of LED is going on increasing. Let's try to move it in the different direction in the clockwise. So you can see the brightness of LED is slightly reducing, and finally it's off. Now again, I will try to move it in the anti-clockwise direction. So you can see it is. So this is how you can control the brightness of LED using the potentiometer. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So thank you.